What's up guys? Today we are going to be taking this cardboard right here and making a solar cooker. So I will make sure to leave the link in the description for the free plans so that if you want to make your own solar cooker, you can check out the link and kind of see the plans of the one that I'm making today. I chose to make this design because it seems pretty open and seems like it'll direct the light in a good way, and that's what we want when we're cooking with the sun. So should be a fun project. Hopefully it works out. So for this specific style of solar cooker, you need two sides of boxes, pretty much two flat pieces. So I have two identical pieces that are about this big. It says you need them to be 75 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide, but hopefully it's pretty simple. I haven't actually made this design before. The instructions seem easy enough to where anyone could follow them and make it. But pretty much the first thing that I'm gonna do is just make sure that these are exactly the right size. So really what got us thinking about this video and why we were gonna make it is everything that's going on in the world right now. And it got us thinking, like, how would we cook food in an apocalypse, pretty much, if we had no power, no gas. That's why we wanted to try and build a solar cooker, see just how well they are able to cook. So now I have two pieces that are 75 centimeters long by 50 centimeters. On the instructions they have cut lines and fold lines, and it shows you exactly where you need to cut it and everything. So my thinking in making this is to get all the lines drawn first so that I can start cutting them all at once. I've got the easy lines drawn, but in the plans there's a bunch of lines that are at a 15-degree angle. So I do have a tool that will help me, measure 15 degrees and draw all those angles. But online in the plans, it also gives you kind of a DIY way to measure 15-degree angles. And so I'm going to try that way so that you guys can see just how easy it is, just in case you guys don't have a tool that can measure 15-degree angles. So pretty much what it's saying is you want to take a normal piece of paper, which is a rectangle, and fold this and cut it to make it a square. Once you have this fold here, pretty much all you have to do is then fold this side in half. So once you have that first fold, then you just fold it again. So now pretty much what it's saying is that these points here are 15 degrees. So let's see if it works. Pretty much what you want to do now is take your homemade awesome protractor, and then like I said, each one of these points should be 15 degrees. I don't know how easy it is to see on the camera, but I got all my lines drawn on both pieces of cardboard. You want to draw those lines. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like pizza slices of 15-degree angles, pretty much. So once you have those, then you can start cutting the cut lines. You don't want to cut all the way through. It's just to help it fold easier. Okay, so with this first piece, if we look at our plans, this line is a complete, so we'll cut all of these lines so that we can fold them easier. Not cutting all the way through. Do not cut all the way through. So this one that you measured the half, you do want to make a complete cut. So follow these lines that you drew and cut down here and cut this flap. Cut it all the way through so that it flaps open like that. So my pieces are ready. I've pre-folded them, pre-cut them, everything. So now the website says to take white glue and mix it equal parts water and glue. I don't know why it says to mix it with water, but that's what I'm gonna do because it's what it says. And then we're gonna start gluing the tinfoil onto the cardboard. So I got glue and water mixed up. I don't have like one of those black foam paint brushes, so I'm just gonna use a paper towel to spread it onto the cardboard and then place the tinfoil on. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. So I got both pieces tin-foiled. It's dried for a minute, should be ready to go. This is where you might need some tape to tape on the outside just to kind of hold it together and make sure it's really strong. But yeah, we're just gonna throw it together, see how it looks. Hopefully we did it right. Hopefully our measurements are right. So this is the completed P. You can see all of the angles in here. It turned out pretty good. It's supposed to be wide and open so that it can grab as much sun as possible. Honestly, it was pretty simple. Didn't take very long at all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you later.